How to sign into American Express credit card account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in American Express credit card login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, americanexpress.com. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. First up, select the account type. Click on this drop down and select cards and banking. Now, type in your user ID. Then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember Me. In the case you have forgotten the user ID or the password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on Login, and with that you'll be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log in to American Express credit card account. If you haven't created your account yet, click on this option and go through the registration process. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.